Oh, there it is.
Welcome back. This is my tiny garage, and this is my 96 Cobra. And it's got a leak from this gasket. Let's see what we can get done. Could have been a pretty crappy situation if we couldn't get the jack underneath here. All right, not bad. Also, I've been getting a lot of comments about the roof of my garage. It's to code, and I'm not drywalling the upper concrete. All right, so there is our culprit. Where the heck is the petcock? Drain the coolant, drain the oil, and please don't be a pain. There we go. Drain out. Recognize I am on an angle that does not drain that well. Yeah, we'll figure that out. Let's mess. Why I'm doing this though. Is this thing dented? Oh no, it definitely was dented. Well then. I'm gonna get yelled at in the YouTube comments. You should have drained it out long. Ah, shut up. Alright, onto the filter. We'll put this filter on last. What kind of jerk did that?
It's me.
Hit it with your purse like a man. Isn't that purses? Oh yeah. Nice and messy. Well, this is what we got to work with. Time for the fun part. Or does this radiator not have a petcock? Gonna make a mess. Not gonna be fun. Oh, whoa, whoa. Okay. We got some movement. For the love of God. Please be gentle. Okay. If I can get a little. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's in the eye. Oh. Okay, it did make a mess, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Cool. Great. Still more cool in the block I have to deal with. Okay, so originally I was like, all right, I see 1, 2, 3 bolts on the side, corresponds with the gasket, but that one right there, there's like no way of getting it. And I was about to lose my mind. I was like, oh great, is this one of those hidden bolts that Ford ever loves doing so much? But no, actually, you just gotta take that bad boy out right there, and it comes out as a 2-piece. And I think I'm gonna have to rebuild this whole set. There's some gaskets in there or whatever, but that, well, what's out of the car, it's out of the car. We'll take a look at it. Okay, it's the next day because I had to get a tool. Because don't you love when you buy a socket set and they skip a number? It's always the damn number you need. Now real quickly, we'll double check. Well, you've got to be kidding me. Okay, off camera, after making more of a mess, finding out that socket isn't right, I got this off. Not that bad, but just I hate it when you go to buy a tool, you think it's the right one, it's not the right one, and you end up having to use a different tool that you already have. This came off of there. Get a focus. Now we can get on replacing that gasket. And we're done. Making more of a mess on the floor. There it is. What you'll normally find on the GTs. These gaskets are for the GT and the Cobra, and they normally go bad. Always check the mating surface on this. Some of these like to corrode pretty bad. I think it's on the housing though, not this really. This one looks fine. That side doesn't look too bad actually. Pretty good. So back another day, and don't it just seem like nothing goes right when you're fixing even the most simplest things? Those O-rings don't look like they match up to these O-rings. They look a little thin. Luckily I have some random assortment O-rings that I can replace that with. That yellow piece does not fit this orange piece. At least this is correct. Let's double check. Yeah, okay, well, I'll do my best here and then come back with the results. So let's reverse procedure and get this onto the car. Back in so I don't forget. Well, battery died on this stupid thing, but now it's charged. Put it on the Rhino ramps and I will drain the oil effectively because I can already hear the screeching from the comments on the YouTube that there's some left in the oil pan. Yeah, I know, I get it. I'll get it. We got oil, check. Filter, check. Coolant in the bottle, check. Let's run it, start it, check for leaks. First, let's open the garage door so I don't do the big sleeps while it's idling. Please don't puke all over my floor. Alright, that was just some residual from me spilling it a little bit, but she doesn't leak. Great success.